שלום רב לכולכם, חג שמח. Today I'm going to speak in English because I have requests from quite a few people that would like to know about it, and today I'm going to start speaking in English. I know that all Israelis know English, how to speak English. I am taking hemp oil. I am doing that now, day 15. I am not a doctor, a physician of any sort. I am just a normal person who wants to be healthy, who heard about 2 months ago about this particular product, which is almost, anybody can have it. It's made out of hemp, and hemp is cannabis, and cannabis is marijuana, and marijuana is pot. And I would like to talk about the difference between hemp oil and marijuana. They're very different things, though they're made from the same plant family, exactly the same plant family, the cannabis. The cannabis is a healer. It has been a healer for 5,000 years. Only in the 1950s or so, I don't remember the year, there was the pharmaceutical company made a deal with the big shots in the world to say that no more hemp because it grows free, and we won't be able to patent it, and we won't be able to make money. So this is where all the big shots, how they see us as people. Now, I'm not a politician, I'm not a diplomat, I just want to be healthy. I want the people that I love to be healthy. And I can tell you that hemp oil is called industrial hemp oil, because that is the only way that legally we can buy that. You know why? Because from hemp you make clothing, you make shirts, you make robes. It's a wonderful plant. God gave us this plant for free. We need to use it, so we are using it, but for profit only, for those people that want to profit from it. So I can tell you that the difference between industrial hemp oil and marijuana is a big difference. This can cure cancer all the way down to headaches and blood pressure, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, leukemia diseases, blood diseases. Why do people make it so difficult for us? So bad for us? I don't know. Now let me talk about marijuana. I use it very selectively, and I do not recommend it to everyone. I get it from a very reliable source, and I get very small amounts every time. I told my neurologist that I'm taking it, and my neurologist said, well, just make sure that you do it right. That's okay. Now, there were times where marijuana where smoking pot made me tired. There were times that it made me very happy, and there were many times that it made me very sad, very moody. There were times that I felt my heart is pumping, and there were times that I was very, very calm. But I experienced all these times. So I do not recommend it for children. It's not a way to cure diseases, although it has a lot of THC, where that hemp has very little THC. Okay? This has a lot of THC. You smoke it and you feel high, and this has very, very small amount of THC. The product here is called, what it has, the curing product is CBD. C as in Charlie, B as in boy, D as in David. And this has T as in Thomas, A as in apple, C as in Charlie. Okay? So I can tell you that when I see someone gratify the taking of marijuana and calling it legalize it, yes, let's legalize medical marijuana, because then they can separate in the laboratory the marijuana that is good for calming down, the one that makes you hungry, the one that makes you whatever, okay? So I just made a point today that not everything that looks wonderful is really wonderful, and sometimes what people hide as being the most miraculous thing in life is hemp oil. I can tell you that my diabetes is going down. Today I had 117 in the morning, and that's without taking pills. I take Brazil. I used to take that. I'm taking glipizide 2.5 milligrams, and I'm taking also clonidine, and that is 0.1 milligram, and that is for my calmness, anti-anxiety. Blood pressure, clonidine is for the blood pressure. The hemp oil is making me sleep. I don't need the sleeping pills anymore, the anxiety pills anymore. I used to take mega pills. Now I take very few pills, 2 a day, that's it. I feel energetic and I feel great, and my brother, who has its 11th day or so today of taking hemp oil because he has leukemia, he is looking great. It's affecting him better than it affects me, and that's the truth, and I'm very happy to tell you that. So until next time, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, I will talk to you and let you know the progress. And until then, Chag Sameach, happy Passover, and to all my friends, happy Easter.